Cathie Wood's trouble in the market is continuing into 2022. Year to date, her flagship ARK Innovation Fund is down over 40%. But we're going to talk about 3 stocks in that fund that may be ready for a bounce. So stick around. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Richard Allen with TipRanks TV. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. We're going to talk about Cathie Wood in this video because the trouble that she experienced last year in 2021 is continuing into 2022, unfortunately. Her flagship fund, the ARK Innovation ETF, is down almost 41% year to date. So it's not looking too fantastic. And even when you pan out over the course of a 5-year time frame, she isn't really beating the S&P 500 by that much over the course of a 5-year time frame. But if you've paid attention to investing greats like Warren Buffett, you know how hard it is to beat the S&P 500 over the course of decades. Most hedge fund managers cannot do it. And maybe Cathie Wood can't do it either. But we're going to talk about 3 stocks in the ARKK fund that may be ready for a bounce. The first stock on the list is Teladoc. Teladoc, trading under the ticker symbol TDOC, has been a disaster for investors over the past year, losing 64% of its value from peak to now. Undoubtedly, the telehealth innovator was a major beneficiary of pandemic lockdowns. Amid the strength, investors got a bit overexcited and eventually the stock crumbled. This stock has lost all of its pandemic gains and then some. As one of the most beaten down stocks in the ARK Innovation basket, bottom fishers have a lot of reason to be intrigued. At just 5 times sales, Teladoc is hardly an expensive stock anymore. And the growth is still alive. With guidance of 25 to 30% revenue growth for 2022, Teladoc CEO Jason Gorovich also remains incredibly bullish, previously noting of major tailwinds ahead, including the expansion of support from regulators. Teladoc is a major holding for ARK Invest, and Cathie Wood is very bullish on this company. Now, are the other analysts on Wall Street bullish for Teladoc from here? Again, Teladoc, trading under the ticker symbol TDOC, is a moderate buy based on 27 analyst ratings with an average upside of almost 58% over the next 12 months. Let me know what you think about Teladoc down in the comments. I definitely want to hear from you. Number 2 of the 3 companies that we're going to talk about is one of the companies that was trading at the highest price to sale ratios I've ever seen out there is Zoom Video Communications, trading under the ticker symbol ZM. Zoom Video Communications is a video conferencing kingpin that also suffered a massive reversal of fortune in the past year, sinking 72% from its peak till now. Indeed, an overwhelming majority of the pandemic gains have been wiped out, with a mere 8 times sales multiple and more favorable comparables ahead. The risk reward has arguably never been this good in the pandemic era. Remote and hybrid work is likely here to stay, even if the pandemic were to shift into endemic mode at some point. This alone should drive demand for digital communications. It's not just the firm's flagship video service that could drive growth in the road ahead, though. For the latest quarter, the company checked in an impressive 21% in revenue growth, with prominent strength in Zoom Phone and Zoom Rooms. The recently launched Zoom Contact Center may bode well for future growth as well. With the recent strength across a broader range of offerings and a potential opportunity to create immersive, metaverse-like experiences similar to Microsoft Teams Mesh, there are many levers the firm can pull to keep its impressive growth alive. Now again, Cathie Wood absolutely loves this stock and is still holding strong, but Zoom Video and Communication, trading under the ticker symbol ZM, is trading under $106 per share and is also a moderate buy based on 12 buys, 14 holds, and 0 sell ratings, with an average upside of almost 53.5% over the next 12 months. Okay, let me know what you think about Zoom and Teladoc in the comments below. Are you excited for either of these companies at these multiples? I want to hear from you. Do you think they're good buys right now? Okay, third company on the list is maybe the company that has kept ARK Invest alive. It's Tesla. Tesla, trading under the ticker symbol TSLA, has held its own amid the tech-focused plunge, falling less than 40% from its peak. Today, shares of Tesla are down just 16%, far less damage than that endured by your average ARKK stock. EVs remain one of the most exciting places to be in innovation these days. Though the EV pioneer has kept its stock supported by incredible quarterly results, it's worth noting that an increase in competition could threaten Tesla's spot at the top of the podium at some point in the future. If you just take a peek at Tesla, there is no denying the innovation happening at the company. Cathie Wood and many other Tesla bulls and Elon Musk fans may claim the rich, high-tech multiple on shares of Tesla is more than warranted given the company's unparalleled innovative capabilities. Could it really be that Tesla is miles ahead of rivals with a front-runner position on autonomous driving? Maybe. Elon Musk keeps saying this is the year that we're going to solve autonomous driving. This is the year. It hasn't happened yet. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Is it going to happen anytime soon? In any case, the stakes are extraordinarily high for the relatively resilient top holding in ARKK, which currently trades at 18.9 times sales. With its recent opening of the massive Gigafactory in Austin, Texas, Tesla seems to be running on all cylinders. Cathie Wood is very bullish on this stock still, but what do the other analysts on Wall Street think? Tesla, trading under the ticker symbol TSLA, is a moderate buy based on 26 ratings with an average upside of less than 1% and a very low price target of $67 on the very low end. That's kind of low. But let me know what you think about these three stocks of the ARKK Innovation Fund. I want to hear from you. Let me know. Do you have a favorite out of the bunch? Is it Teladoc? Is it Zoom? Or is it Tesla? I want to hear from you down in the comments. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for another video. As always, I'll see you in the next one.